to a coffee shop. Introduction. Visiting a coffee shop is a common activity for many people around the world. It is a place where you can enjoy various drinks, meet friends, or spend time alone. This video will guide you through the experience of going to a coffee shop, especially for those who have never been to one. Choosing a coffee shop. The first step is to decide which coffee shop to visit. There are many types of coffee shops, from large chains like Starbucks to small independent ones. Each has its own unique atmosphere and selection of drinks. You might choose a coffee shop based on its location, the type of drinks it offers, or its environment. Some people prefer quiet places for reading or working, while others like lively shops with music and conversation. Understanding the menu. Once you enter a coffee shop, you will usually find a menu. This can be a bit overwhelming at first, as there are many different drinks to choose from. The most common drinks are espresso, latte, cappuccino, and americano. An espresso is a strong, concentrated coffee, while a latte is milder and made with milk. A cappuccino is similar to a latte, but has more foam, and an americano is an espresso diluted with hot water. In addition to coffee, most coffee shops also offer teas, hot chocolate, and sometimes snacks like cakes or sandwiches. If you're unsure about what to order, don't hesitate to ask the staff for recommendations. They are usually friendly and happy to help. Placing your order. When you're ready to order, you go to the counter. Here, you tell the barista, the person who makes the coffee, what you would like. It's important to speak clearly and politely. You might say, "I'd like a medium latte, please." If you want your drink to be made in a specific way, such as with soy milk or an extra shot of espresso, you should mention this when ordering. After placing your order, you will need to pay. Coffee shops usually accept cash, credit cards, and sometimes mobile payments. Prices can vary greatly depending on the location and type of coffee shop. Enjoying your experience. After ordering, you can find a place to sit. Coffee shops often have a variety of seating options, including chairs, sofas, and sometimes outdoor seating. This is a good time to relax and enjoy your surroundings. You can bring a book, use your laptop. Many coffee shops offer free Wi-Fi, or simply watch people. When your drink is ready, the barista will either bring it to your table or call your name. Be sure to thank them when you receive your drink. Coffee shop etiquette includes being respectful to the staff and other customers, keeping your table tidy, and being mindful of the noise level if you are having a conversation or listening to music. Socializing and networking. Coffee shops are great places for socializing. You can meet friends for a chat or even make new ones. They are also popular places for informal business meetings or networking. If you are meeting someone, it's polite to wait for them before ordering, unless you have agreed otherwise. Conclusion. Visiting a coffee shop can be a delightful experience. Whether you're there for the coffee, to meet friends, or just to enjoy a quiet moment, there's something for everyone. Next time you visit a coffee shop, remember these tips to make the most of your visit.